On November 3, Chery Automobile reportedly released a photo of the Hunter concept car and announced that the car will be unveiled at the upcoming Guangzhou Auto Show. It is reported that the Hunter concept car will join Chery's Fengyun series and will use a new design language to show off its avant-garde appearance and innovative technology. In terms of appearance design, the Hunting Wind concept car adopts a new design language and features a hunting sports kit, hidden headlights, hidden lidar and intelligent interactive display on the front face, dynamic welcome, pedestrian interaction, rain and fog mode. A concave spoiler front cover, R21/R22 low wind resistance wheels, Brembo Fixed calipers, hidden electronic exterior mirrors, split Hunter tail wing, active lifting tail wing, intelligent interactive tail light display 3-dimensional variable width lamps. In terms of interior, officials stated that the new car also adopts the latest design language and provides a digital intelligent cockpit. The car is equipped with a safari-style sports steering wheel and a color-changing reminder light. The new car is also equipped with a windshield information display and a 15.6-inch central control display with a built-in 8295 chip and Hongmeng ecology. Looking at other configurations, the new car is also equipped with dual wireless fast charging for mobile phones, active electronically controlled color-changing sunshade, etc. It is also worth mentioning that the new car also has L3-like intelligent driving equipment. In terms of power system, the Hunter concept car is equipped with a dual-motor four-wheel drive system. The engine speed can reach up to 30,000 rpm. Acceleration is achieved with four-wheel steering and steering control technology. It can reach 100 km per hour in 3 seconds, and the top speed is 260 km per hour. In addition, the car is equipped with an 800V solid-state battery with a pure electric cruising range of up to 1,500 km. The Hunter concept also adopts a dual-chamber air suspension system and CDC shock absorption technology, which can effectively improve comfort and road holding.